Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this summery look that you see right here. I don't usually use too many bright colors, and pink is certainly not one of the colors that I do use either for my lips or my eyes. I don't naturally gravitate towards pink colors, but yeah, this is the look we are doing today. I hope you'll enjoy this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family if you enjoy my content. And let's just quickly get started with this video. We'll start with a primer. I'm using the NYX Drop Primer. I'm going to apply this dotted all over my face, and then I'm just going to pat it in. Once that is done, I'm going to move on with foundation. I'm mixing these two. There's no need per se, but I just wanted to mix these two foundations. The Maybelline one has excellent coverage, but it is a little too drying for my dry skin, and it's very matte. So I just wanted to mix a little bit of a liquidy foundation with it. So I just mixed those two. And then for concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this KIKO Milano Full Coverage Concealer. Since it is a cream product, I like to kind of warm the product with my finger and like to apply it tapping with tapping motions under my eye. And I really this is one of the reasons I don't use too many cream products, because I don't truly enjoy using my fingers for applying makeup. And now I'm using this Weishi blender to kind of tap it into place. And on the same blender, and the mini one that comes free with the regular size blender, I'm taking this NYX Hydra powder, and I'm just going to do some baking under my eyes. Since under eye area is a problem area for me, I like to go a little heavy handed with the powder on the lower lash line. So once the baking is done, I'm going to just start bronzing. I'm not doing cream contouring. I'm just going to use the powder contouring for this. This is the powder bronzer from Palladio. This is a matte bronzer, and I'm using a Jess Up makeup brush. This is a powder brush. I'm using this as a bronzer brush, and I'm using the Weishi powder brush to kick off my bake. And this brush, since it is not very dense, it really picks up the product while baking it very nicely. You have to try it. You will understand what difference it makes. And then I'm taking this a slim brush, and I'm just going to do some nose contouring, and I just wanted to add a little bit of cream blush to my face. I'm using this is Boho Chic from NYX, and this is I think Makeup Geek highlighting brush. I'm using that. It's like a stippling brush, and this is a Lit Life I think highlighting palette from NYX. So I'm using I'm going for a very glowy cheek situation. So as a blush, I'm using the frosty pink kind of a highlighter, and for the actual highlighter, I'm using Hustla Baby from Fenty. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful highlighter. I think I'm going to this is one of the highlighters I think I'm going to finish off and will have to repurchase. And I'm just going to apply that for a glowy look, and I'm going to settle everything with the Weishi blender once more, and we'll move on to the eyebrows. So I'm using the Miniso retractable eyebrow pencil. I really like this. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows and apply this NYX eyebrow gel. And this is a lighter color of the gel than my actual eyebrows, but I wanted a lighter brow. Now I'm taking NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Once that is done, I'm going to take this Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to apply this lighter shade as my transition shade. I'm taking a big fluffy brush. This one is from Zoeva, and I have not actually patted down the jumbo pencil with any powder. Now I'm taking this bright magenta pink kind of a shade from the Love You So Mochi palette from NYX, and I'm going to apply the pink eyeshadow as on my crease and also on my outer corner, and I'm using my finger to apply the lighter shades. So I first went in with a blush pink silver kind of a shade, and then with this silver gray kind of a shade on the middle part of my of my lid, And going back again with the pink eyeshadow to deepen it up and also kind of mesh all the eyeshadows together. And now for my lower lash line, I'm taking an angled brush and taking that silvery gray eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And it's a different texture, so you have to like kind of work with it if you're using a brush. These are best used with fingers, as you just saw. I'm just going to do like a little ombre situation on the lower lash line, and I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes. I also, this is the Palladio, I think, yeah, Palladio Mascara. This is not waterproof, but oh my god, this mascara is amazing. And I also applied like the milk, the jumbo pencil on the lower waterline also. And I'm taking a Miss Claire pink lip liner, and I'm using this Powerpuff NYX Powerpuff lipstick, and I'm using this I think this is Weishi lashes in Geet. I'm just going to prop them up. And I have skipped eyeliner for this look because I wanted it to be like, you know, very fresh looking, not heavy. And I just added a little bit of silver glitter liner, and that is it. I hope you like this glowy, dewy, colorful look. I think it's still pretty wearable. I have not used like crazy colors that are not wearable. I don't like to do looks like for my YouTube channel that I won't be wearing outside. And that's not to say like one shouldn't do those creative looks as well. But for me personally, I'm just talking about myself. This is something I will wear outside. I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends and family. I hope you'll come back for more, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.